Hair restoration specialist Dr. Craig Zirian has brought a brand new laser with him to treat Lacey's thinning hair. So I hear some beeping going on. Talk to me about what this laser's doing.
Well, this is the Rivage 670, and what this is doing is it's rotating 30 diodes in here, and this light is coming down and giving full coverage over her entire scalp right now.
So can we look at a still of a hair cell so you can show us what this is actually doing at that follicle level?
Absolutely. What you see there is the energy is being absorbed by that hair follicle. That light stimulates the energy, which stimulates cell metabolism, and it also increases blood flow so that the cells can allow the hairs to grow thicker and fuller.
So it basically allows an environment for the hair cell or the follicle to thrive.
Yes, absolutely.
So are you noticing anything in there? You feel anything?
Feeling it burn.
You're feeling it grow?
Yes. No.
It actually is a cool laser, so she really shouldn't feel any heat or anything happening with regard to that. It's all happening at the, via photostimulation at the molecular level.
So how many treatments might she need before she sees an effect from this?
She can see a result in as little as 4 to 16 weeks. Our patients at Advanced Hair Growth Centers, what we do is we give patients a full year of treatment. They come 2 to 3 times a week, and it's 20 minutes at a time.
And how much would a year's treatment be?
It's somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000.
So let's say she gets a year's treatment, and then Lacey at the end of the year says, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. Will she maintain, or is this something that this laser, does it need to be used for the rest of her life?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like exercising or working out. She won't have to come as often, but just like exercising, you'll want to have some kind of maintenance program, and we offer that for our patients. Sometimes it's once a month, once every 3 months, and other people come because they like hanging out with us at the office and come once every couple of weeks.
Well, we actually have a before and after photo of a woman named Shelly who used this very same Rivage 670 machine, and it's a pretty impressive difference. And Lacey, I want to introduce you to Shelly because she's here in our audience. Shelly, thank you so much for being here. So, Shelly, what has this done for your confidence? What has this done for your confidence?
It's built my confidence, definitely. I had major hair shedding. I have a white tile floor. I'd see hair all over the place after a shower and after washing my hair. And after about 6 months of 4 to 6 months of treatment under the Rivage laser, my hair was starting to grow back. I'd see lots of little hairs coming up the top of and my hair's growing a lot faster. And probably twice as fast as normal.
You're basically giving hope to Lacey, right?
Yeah, you're a beautiful woman, and it will work. You just have to be patient. And that's one thing that I learned is patience, because it happened a lot faster than I thought it would, though. And now I continue to maintain it occasionally, once a month, and I'm really happy with the results.
I've been patient for 6 years.
Well,
so I'll be okay.
You remember how we said we brought you here for a reason?
Yeah.
So the folks at Apira Science have agreed to give you a year's worth of treatment.
Thank you.
She's going to get these treatments at the Central Ohio Skin